Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw the numbers 2024 to celebrate the new year. So let's get started. To draw these cute numbers inspired by number lore, let's first start by drawing the number 2. So with all these numbers, we're going to start with a rounded off square for the eyes. So I'm going to come right about here and I'll go up, just round off my square on the corners and connect. There, so I got one eye in, and I'm going to come about right here and just kind of draw a curve coming down and then come in and just kind of follow my outside to complete the inside and just shade this all in. There, so now I have this one eye in. I'm going to come down and draw the neck of our number 2. So still keep in mind we're drawing a 2, so it's just going to be this one curve that comes down. So say about right here, using this eye as my guide, I'm going to come here and draw the neck coming out. Come back about right here. Just follow whatever I drew, the curve right there, and then this part is going to come down. And let's come down a little bit more, and then I need to draw the leg. So about right here, we're going to come out and then just give it a little tail and down and connect. There. So I have the bottom part now. Now let's draw the top. So let's continue. Imagine this is coming out through the eye, and so about right here, it's going to pop out. It's going to come down just like the number 2, and then about right here we're going to give it a little nose, so it's going to spike up, then come down, and this is going to continue about right here and connect. There, so we have our number 2. Then from there, let's draw the other eye, which is kind of in the back right here. So once again, I'm just going to round off a square about the same size as that, and just draw a line through about right here, and then whatever space I have, just shade this part in just to make it look like the other eye. There, and then we have these cute little teeth for the number 2. So about right here in this space, I'm just going to come at an angle, draw this top tooth and then the bottom tooth and connect it. There. So now that we have the number 2, let's draw 0, the number 0. So number 0 is just going to have one big eye. So I just want to remember that my numbers are all going to be about the same height. So let's say about right here, just kind of imagining how big I want my 0. I'll just start about right here and go ahead and just draw this big rounded off square once again. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home that you can make any adjustments you need. You move your numbers closer or further apart if you need. But about right there, I'm going to start with this one big eye. I'm going to come about right here and draw a curve going across. And once again, I'm going to follow my outside square and connect and shade this all in. So this is meant to just be really fun. With number lures, it's just really fun to draw because it doesn't have to be perfect at all. So right about there, we have this one big eye, and then I'm going to draw this ovalish shape. So I'll start about right here, and I'm just going to come close to my 2. So that will kind of determine how big this other side's going to be. So about right here, I'm just going to try and match my other side, so about right there, and I'll bring in close to my 2, and just remember one about the same approximate, so about right there, and connect. There. And then let's draw the inside. We're going to come right into the center of this eye, about right here, really close. And we're going to come out and just follow our circle. And same thing here. So our goal is to make it approximately the same width on both sides. So now that we have this one curve, I'm going to come right here and draw a curve about right there to finish it off. So once again, just approximately the same width all the way around. Then let's come back to the center. and we're going to draw one tooth here and another one on the bottom. So everything is nice and brown to make it extra cute. Okay, so we have 2, 0. Now we need to draw another 2. So I'm just going to come about right here, and I'll just use this as my guide. The bottom of this 2, I'm going to bring it across, and let's say about, I'm just kind of imagining how, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and I'll just start my eye approximately right here. So if I'm too close, I'll just make it a little bit thinner. If I'm too far, I'll just make it a little bit wider, right? So like I said, don't worry about it. It can be wider or thinner. It's still number. I keep saying the alphabet lore, number lore. And so now we have that one eye. I'm going to come once again, draw the same thing, and follow my outside. Then shade this part all in. So I have this one eye approximately the same as the other side. And then once again, I'm going to draw this neck that's going to come close to my 0. So I'm going to bring it out. Then about right here, just like my other 2, I'm going to come down. And so same thing here. So this number 2 is probably a bit wider, but like I said, that is totally fine. So I'm just going to come approximately right there to draw my leg, give it a little tail here. Draw the legs and connect there. So I'm bring this down, and I'm looking at my camera. I think I'm going up. I'll bring this down a little bit more. Okay, then from there, let's draw the head. So I'm going to continue out, approximately right there, bring it close to my 0, give it that little nose, bring it down, and about right here once again, connect, and then the teeth. So about right here, draw these cute little teeth. Then from there, once again, the back eye, so round it off and curve, and then shade this part in. There. So almost the same, but not exactly, right? So just give it its own personality a little bit more, just a little bit wider on this one. Then from there, we need to draw the 4. So it's finally 2024. So I'm going to come to say about the center area, close to my 2. And I'll start about right here, and I'm just going to draw one rounded off square once again. I'll come right next to it, say about this wide, and draw another rounded off square. There. And now that I have that, let's come about right here. I'm just going to draw this curve going up, and then once again fill in the inside and shade it in. There. So same thing over here. Okay, so you know what? I'm just going to bring this out. And then for, let's see here, then we need to draw the 4. So just remember, I'm drawing this 4 that's at an angle. So I need to come, let's say come about right here. I think it'll make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to draw my angle first. So just imagine it coming through about right there. And then this part I'm going to bring down, round it off. I'm going to bring this up and round it off and come down into my eye. Then this is going to come straight down to say about right there. So let's come back in between the eyes. So we're just imagining there's this part that crosses over. So let's say about right here. I'm going to draw this triangle shape right in between the eyes. So follow that angle to create the opening inside. Then from there, I'm going to imagine this coming through. So about right here, we're going to draw the arm that comes out. bring this all the way back to here and bring this down. So take a look at my camera about right there. So this is coming down about right here and connect for the leg there, and then the last little part there. So we have our 4, and then let's draw in some teeth. So in this area, let's draw in, let's say 1, 2, 3 lines, and then cross it with 1. There, so silly, right? So now we have all the numbers in 2024. I thought it'd be really cute. Let's just add like a little party hat right here on top of our number 0, just to make it a little bit more festive. And just draw in some of these. So it's easy and easy little poof part on top, and then maybe like a little stripe, make it extra festive. And that is pretty much it for the drawing here. And then I'm just going to come in here really quick and just color with some regular Crayola markers and bring it to life. So they're all done. I really hope you love how these numbers turned out, and I helped you draw and color them fun and easy today. And I hope especially that you love this confetti. I just wanted to add it to just bring it, make it look more festive. Happy New Year, cuties, and I can't wait to draw more drawings for you this year. And thanks always for your support and love, and thanks for all your comments, of course, and I can't wait to see all your new requests for the year. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.